Do not buy anything until you've watched this video. I'm talking about the Tribe Builders AI. This was released yesterday or the day before yesterday, and so popular is it that they're going to be releasing it again and again over the next few days. Okay, I was lucky enough to get a sneak peek as to what is inside. Let me share with you exactly what we have. So I'm going to come on the screen. Here we go. This is created by a friend of mine, Ulf, and of course he's a guy from the Wayne Crow stable, so we know that these products are going to be good, if nothing else. So look, so you've got the no stress guide to building your Facebook group. There's no tech skills required, no prompt engineering, just copy and paste and grow. It is that simple, okay? Super, super simple. You just need to buy the guide. And if you buy the guide from me, there's certain little things that I can tell you about later on. A couple of bonuses, cheeky little bonuses that you're going to get. So, look, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to customize everything. Progress, what Ulf says is, they call it the Ulfinator, but I think that's wrong. But basically, you don't need to customize anything. Progress beats polish every time. So the philosophy is this is not about learning complex prompts. This is going to be, we want to make Facebook groups easy for you, okay? It's not about becoming a tech wizard. It's simple structure and a human approach. And the big thing is we don't rush. Just follow the trainings. He's done a beautiful, and I'll link to another video. He's done a brilliant little micro learnings. It's the best way to learn, micro learning. And so you can go through that with Ulf. He'll show you. And again, what he's going to show you is this, how it actually works, all the toolbox. He says, think the tribal AI as a toolbox. And you're going to get GPT tools, okay, that's going to do the jobs for you, and they do it really well. He's been training the GPT, so to make sure he's going to deliver for you. Okay, so you're going to open a GPT, pick one of the tools. You just answer some simple questions. You then let the AI do the work. This is the whole point of AI. Let it do the heavy lifting. Okay, and then you're going to basically just copy and paste that into your group. Okay, so you're not going to be creating anything special. You're not going to be prompt engineering or anything like that. All you're doing, how Ulf has created it and has set it up, is that you are just going to answer some super simple questions and let the AI take over and build it. Okay, so that's cool. Right, so phase one. This is like we do all marketing. All marketing, we need to know who we're talking to. If we talk to everybody, then we talk to nobody. That's the old phrase, isn't it? So we're going to use, first thing that Ulf has done is created a prompt where we can able to create our persona, the person that we want to talk about, the person that is in our group. Okay, so you can ask any questions you need one by one, then create a clear group persona I can use for content. That's the interface. Okay, and you're going to get people's frustrations, their demographics, their backgrounds, their values, interests, challenges, motivations, pain points. You're going to get the whole lot. Okay, so that is good. And it says here in the slide, it's a dedicated tool, asks a simple guided question, and it'll extract exactly who your persona is. So you can't beat this, okay, guys. And this is what I love about it is, as Ulf created the initial program, the tribe builder, but now he's adding the AI element just to make it even better. Okay, so it's great. You're going to get so much from this. Okay, the outcome is you're going to get a clear reference point. You're going to remove the guesswork, and that is real key. We don't want to play guessing games. We just need to know what works, and we want a simple, replicatable system to do, and that's exactly what Ulf has got here. So phase two is the content on tap. This is the thing. When we're building groups, you think, oh my God, I need to post every day. I don't know what to say in my groups. All the things that you think about when you're creating a group, because it's a pressure. You're setting up, you're putting your head above the parapet, and it's a pressure. So you need to be able to sustain it and grow. Okay, so don't worry, we're going to give you content on tap. Okay, you don't need to be Shakespeare, as he says. You just need to turn up. Okay, so you'll have another You'll have another prompt. Okay, and the AI will ask you about your topic, and if you answer honestly, okay, and short answers are okay, the AI will generate content for your first week. It gets better, but you've got to start somewhere. Okay, there's a pro tip here. If a sentence feels too formal, rewrite it in your own words. Consistency to creativity. So if whatever ChatGPT gives you after the prompt, so if you think that's a little bit too formal, just change it. Okay, just put your own slant on it. It's all good. And then phase 3 is we want the group to get, to be interactive and reactive and chatting. There's nothing worse than a group we've got lots of people in it, but they're not engaging. Okay, so phase 3 is we get them talking. So there's icebreakers. Okay, there's opinions. People are sharing what they think. You've got experience, and that builds trusts and personal stories. And you want low friction, one word, a number, or an emoji answer. Easy wins. Make things simple for people to do. And Ulf covers this. So the engagement isn't about being loud. It's about making people feel safe. Okay, so if you're worried about posting every day, don't worry. Ulf has you covered. He says, actually, the golden rule is only 3 to 5 times a week is enough. That's cool. And inside the training, inside the course, you're going to get a 30-day plan. So one session set up, no more decision fatigue. You've got the calendar. Use the calendar GPT. You see, Ulf has sort of everything. He's written these and he's created them and he's tested them. You're going to generate a full month of ideas at once. And then you're just going to pick 3 to 5 posts a week and then schedule them. Once you've scheduled them, you've got your content sorted for the month. That is not going to take you long. That's going to be super, super fast. And then you're going to make it look good without design skills. That's one of my problems. Is you've got the simple workflow. You're going to get 15 ready-made, done for you, Canva templates. Can you believe that? You can duplicate the templates. You can edit the text. You don't clutter it. You're going to keep it as pro design. So you're going to get 15 that you can change around, but keep simple. So you're going to get that all, and that's with Canva. And you can have a free version of Canva. This is not going to cost you a thing. So simple equals professional. Clean and readable wins every time. But yeah, having 15 pre-made templates is incredible. Then you've got the sanity saver. How to run your empire in just 15 minutes a day. Group management made easy. Okay, so once you got your content, you got your PDFs. Absolutely. Managing community shouldn't burn you out. Okay, so you're going to get a checklist and use it daily. We are big I'm big on daily operational things. I can't think of the DOMS, daily operational management or whatever. And so yes, you're going to get a checklist. A daily checklist is what daily method of operation, DMOs. I knew it was called something. Okay, so you've got the 15-minute daily checklist. So here we go. So look, 15 minutes. So you're going to go out and approve requests. Actually, let's take a break. There is a webinar, and the link is in the comments. Okay, if you go to that webinar, you're going to learn all this. You can buy the system, and that is great. But if you buy it on that link, I will give you additional resources that's going to make this even better. Okay, and one of those is I've got a training which shows you how to automate letting people into your group and commenting, and it's going to take just another little piece of the action as well. More about that later on. There's some more little bonuses that you get when you come through me. Okay, so you're going to find out how to approve requests, how to answer 1 to 3 comments, how to react to five recent posts. You're going to have a value anchor, post 1 piece of content, and that's super simple. And then a momentum nudge, send 3 to 5 daily friendly DMs. Hey, just wanted to check in. So you're not pitching, you're just building relationships. And again, I think it's a PDF with 100 ideas for just sparking the nice, easy DMs. Okay, so yeah, working in the DMs won't cost you a dime, and it'll be super easy. And then you just got a weekly maintenance, power tasks. Okay, so pin and update feature posts, review engagement, clean up, remove some spam. But as I say, we've got some little things we can help you with that. Just approve members, post 1 question and react to 3 comments. That's it, 5 minutes. That's an emergency protocol. If ever you're worried, so just for 5 minutes a day, you've got yourself totally covered. And this is all included. All of this is included in this software, in this training that Ulf has created. Okay, and the phase 5, show me the monetization, show me the money, as Tom Cruise said. The first dollar roadmap. Okay, you're going to follow that. It's brilliant. I've seen it. You're going to get engagement, you're going to get conversions, and you're going to get trust It is absolutely incredible, and I love it. He says, pick one path, commit for 7 days, and start small to build confidence. Okay, and a quick look at that. So you've got 3 ways to your first dollars. You've got the affiliate bridge. So you identify a problem, match with a link, soft call to action. You've got the paid micro challenges. Micro challenges are brilliant. You get micro commitments. If you've ever read, what's it called? Atomic Habits, that's been covered. And a quick win audit, a short review session, fix one issue. Okay, and you can price it however you want. Just choose one to begin with until you get started. But all of these things inside here, you're going to get shown exactly how to do it, how to make an affiliate bridge, how to do the micro paid, how to do the quick win. All of that is included in this software. Again, he talks about rookie mistakes you could avoid. So don't doom scroll, try to reply to everyone instantly, don't ghost your group, don't do that, and don't argue with strangers. No one ever wins an argument. Your only job is to create a safe, consistent space. Okay, and that's the thing. Don't mix personal drama with group business. Things that you think would be obvious to everybody, but you would be amazed how much or how many people do not adhere to these issues and these mistakes. Okay, and finally, consistency beats intensity. Don't overthink. Use the tools. Trust the process. Okay, there are multiple trainings inside this process. There's also a brilliant Facebook group to support you as well in this venture. So that's a private group that Ulf has created. What he shares in there is unbelievable, and yeah, you really want to just jump on the links in the comments again, or the link is in the description. Do go and have a look at that. Book yourself in for the webinar. There will be loads of bonuses on that webinar as well. As I say, come through me, then you've got my bonuses as well, which are how to show you how to help people join, or how you get people to join without actually having to lift a finger, and also how to get the conversation started in the DMs in a non-spammy, totally conversational way. And there'll be other things as well. I'll put you into my VIP group on the school community as well, so you're going to get extra trainings from myself there too. My school community, another group if you like, that is a smidge under 300 people right now, and that is growing fast. So lots of ways you can monetize groups, and that's covered in there, so I'll give you that as well for free. But the most important thing is you need to go and sign up with the link in this description. Okay, watch the webinar, buy the product, and we're going to be good to go. Okay, so whatever you're doing, if you don't do anything else, grab the webinar, hit that link. If there's going to be a replay, that link will go to the replay as well. Don't worry, I have you covered. Go and see the next video. I actually show you how, or actually I'll give you a little look inside what you get, and show you all the little videos that Ulf has created. So check that out as well. But do nothing. First of all, do go click that link and sign up for the webinar. You're going to absolutely love this product. If you want to create a community and you've been scared because you think it's going to be too much work, this is absolutely for you.